So Performance Samples just dropped a huge freebie called Full String Ensemble Spiccatos from the upcoming orchestral library Pacific. Attention! This freebie is not limited in range and contains the entire string spectrum from double basses all the way up to violins. We're talking about a full symphonic section size of 16 violins, 12 violas, 10 cellos and 8 double basses, combined into one simple and easy to play patch for free. Yes, it can only do spiccatos, but these snappy short notes can add energy and drive to orchestral tracks in all styles. The patch is not one strings ensemble recorded together, but rather all individual string sections baked together into one patch. Performance Samples stated that this approach makes it lose a little bit of detail and nuances compared to the individual patches, but holy moly, it still sounds rich, cohesive, and has a ton of dynamics. There's a lot of room information in the samples that creates this full and symphonic sound, and you can further adjust it with 2 mic positions, which again is not super usual for a freebie. Performance Samples claims that it's not a super detailed sound, but the wash of ambience is counterpointed by the rather spirited performances and very consistent editing. This means that even though the sound is roomy and symphonic, the tight performance of the players still give the sound enough directness to make it usable. And I think that's a great mix. About the tone of Pacific, and therefore also about this patch, Performance Samples says that there is no particular dynamic bias in this library. It wasn't about making a library which is pigeonholed to ultra-aggressive or extraordinary delicate and soft. It was about making a library which was capable of both. A truckload of session time helped accomplish this, yielding a significant dynamic range throughout the library. This becomes evident even when playing the freebie. It's incredibly dynamic and can be used in a wide range of styles and contexts. You can use it standalone, or use it to layer your own libraries. I love how upfront and honest Performance Samples is when it comes to describing the strengths and limitations of the libraries, though there's generally nothing groundbreaking going on in terms of new sampling approaches. The freebie may not use groundbreaking sample approaches, but offers an accessible, simple, high-quality strings tool in the hands of all the composers out there who own the full version of Contact 6. The patch is not a final release candidate for Pacific, so some things might change. But just listen to this. This is a freebie, and I see it as a free snapshot that has the sample quality and programming of a $1,000 flagship product. Usually, free patches like these have a limited range or cover only one instrument section, but this one is comprehensive and totally usable. If you need high-quality spiccatos with a large section size for a symphonic sound, then the full ensemble spiccatos are a no-brainer download. According to Performance Samples, full strings ensemble spiccatos can be downloaded completely for free until the end of Pacific's intro period, once it's released. But that's also subject to change, so better grab it now and enjoy it while you can. My German composer buddy Lukas Schulte wrote a little track with the full ensemble string spiccato freebie. Here's what the patch sounds like in context. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon.